Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering how to build a strong personal brand in life and at work, how to market yourself. So let's dive in. Have you thought of yourself as a brand before? What do you represent? What is your brand? Building a strong personal brand is super important in both your personal and professional life. We covered it on a high level back on episode 1 on how you are the ultimate brand with three key takeaways, but today we're diving into it. Once you master your personal brand, it will open doors for you never knew existed. So grab your notepads and let's get started. All right, the first thing you need to understand is that building a strong personal brand is all about showcasing who you are, what you stand for, and what makes you unique. It's kind of like creating your own brand, but this time the product is actually you. Whether you're at work or in your personal life, a strong personal brand will set you apart from the crowd and will help you reach your goal. Look at successful people like Gary Vee and Mel Robbins. They have built powerful personal brands that have propelled them to great heights. But it's not just about the fame and fortune. It's about being authentic and true to yourself, listening to your needs, and focusing on your own goals. This part requires reflection and introspection. So let's help break it down into 7 steps to build our personal brand. Step 1. Define your values. Take the time to reflect on what's important to you. Is it integrity, creativity, or a commitment to continuous learning? Your values will be the foundation of your personal brand. They'll guide your decisions and actions in both your personal life and at work, kind of like an inner compass. 2. Develop your skills and soft skills. Building a strong personal brand requires continuous improvement. Take every opportunity to enhance your skills and invest in personal development. And let's not forget about soft skills. Your ability to communicate effectively, collaborate, and adapt to new situations will set you apart from the competition. What makes you different? Don't forget to check on the skills that you might be taking for granted. 3. Be consistent and authentic. This is where the magic happens. Consistency is key in creating a memorable personal brand. Whether it's your online presence, the way that you dress, or the way that you interact with others, consistency builds trust and familiarity. And remember, authenticity is non negotiable. Trying to be someone else will only lead to frustration and burnout. If I ask you to think of someone that is a sharp dresser, well, that is part of the personal brand of the person that you thought of. Now let's talk about marketing yourself. In today's digital age, social media is a powerful tool for personal branding, self promotion, and networking. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or even YouTube to showcase your skills, share your insights, and connect with like minded individuals. Networking events, conferences, and industry meetups are also great opportunities to connect with new people and expand your network. Hence, one of the reasons why I'm here. So let's dive deeper into the process of building a strong personal brand, a few more steps and relatable examples to help you master personal branding in both your life and at work. So, step 4. Identify your target audience. Just like any successful brand, you need to know who you're trying to reach. Are you targeting potential clients, employers, or a specific community? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your message and communication style to resonate with them. For example, if you're a graphic designer, your target audience might be small businesses who are looking for creative branding solutions. Step 5. Build your network and engage in your community. Personal branding is not just about self promotion, it's about building meaningful relationships. So, attend networking events, join professional organizations, and engage in your community. By actively contributing and participating, you'll become a recognized figure within your industry and also your community. If you're passionate about environmental issues, try volunteering for local cleanup initiatives or participate in sustainability focused conferences. 6. Tell your story. People connect with stories, and your personal brand should reflect your journey and experiences. Share your successes, your failures, and the lessons learned along the way. This authenticity will make you relatable and memorable. Let's say you're an inspiring entrepreneur who started their business from scratch. Share your entrepreneurial journey, the challenges you faced, and how you overcame them. Your story will inspire others and help them connect with you on a deeper level. And seven, invest in your personal development. Personal branding is an ongoing process, and investing in your personal growth is essential. So, attend workshops, read books, take online courses, seek mentorship opportunities, and feedback. By continuously expanding your knowledge and honing your skills, you'll stay ahead of the game and position yourself as an expert in the field. If you're in the marketing industry, you could attend workshops on digital marketing trends or enroll in courses to enhance your analytical skills. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an impactful personal brand that will open new doors in your life and at work. Building a strong personal brand requires time, effort, and self reflection. Let's summarize. We are identifying, reflecting, and refining our personal brand in our life and at work. The three key points into doing so are: 1. Reflect and introspect. Take some time to reflect on what truly matters to you. Your values will shape your actions, decisions, and how others perceive you. 2. Have a positive and realistic mindset and continuously work on yourself. Believe in yourself, focus on your strengths and your potential, and embrace failures as learning experiences. It's also important to stay realistic. And 3, be consistent and authentic in the way that you present yourself to the world, whether it's in your online profiles or your in person interactions. Make sure there's a common thread that ties everything together. So stay true to yourself, embrace the power of positivity and authenticity, and share your story. Now go out there and conquer the world and tell me your stories. These were some steps and examples on how to build a strong personal brand in life and at work. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering personal development strategies, continuous growth for success. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.